Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing an Ulta haul. And I also have a couple of things from like the Family Dollar that I threw in here. So it's going to be really fun. Most of these products are like the Revolution Simpsons collection. And we have like a new e.l.f. product as well. So if you want to see the products that I picked up from the Ulta, of course, just keep on watching. But before that, don't forget, if you like looks and makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell to notify whenever I upload. And if you could like the video, if you like it, and the video's going to start right now. So I'm going to start off with the products that I picked up at the Family Dollar. I saw these LE colors. Some of them are like eyeshadow palettes and some of them are like bronzers. So like this one here is a bronzer. And there's a look at the packaging. It looks like a little like carrot or something. And again, this is the LE Colors bronzer in the shade Hello Amazing. And I went ahead and picked up both shadows. So we have the eyeshadow palette in the pink packaging, which is the one in... This one says Hello Beautiful, so I believe that's the name. So this is Hello Beautiful. And then we have this one here in Hello Gorgeous, which is so stunning. I definitely had to pick these up. It's such a beautiful color story. So this is the one in Hello Gorgeous, which is so stunning. Comes with 3 shades in here. One matte shade, which is a taupey color. We have 2 shimmers as well. So there's a look at that color story. This is Hello Gorgeous, so pretty. The one with the pink packaging actually comes with 2 mattes and 1 shimmer. So there's a look at the color story, and this one here is in Hello Beautiful. Super cute. I feel like the shimmer on the last palette was a little more reflective, but this one's actually really pretty as well. So there's a look at the bronzer in Hello Amazing. Let's swatch it and hope that it matches. Oh man, so it is a shimmer. Oh yeah, it's a shimmery bronzer, which I'm a little disappointed by. That sucks, but yeah, there's a look at that shade there, but just keep that in mind. It is a shimmery bronzer. So now we're going to get into the Ulta find. So the first one here is the Wet n Wild Live Laugh Hug Care Bears bronzer, which I think is going to make up for the LA Colors bronzer being shimmery. This is a matte bronzer, hopefully, and this one's again in the shade Live Laugh Hug. We did run across like the lip glosses as well and other products from this collection, but this is the one that called out to me. For my collection, I feel like bronzers is what I have least of, so I did want to pick up another bronzer and just see what my thoughts are on it. So there's the color on that bronzer, and I believe this is the only bronzer shade that they had in this collection. So it is a matte bronzer, and there's a swatch of that. It's super like... It's a good shade. It looks like a medium brown tone. I don't know. We're going to see how it looks on the skin, but it is a matte bronzer. So we're going to see how that works. Before we get into the Revolution Simpsons products, I did pick up the e.l.f. Dunkin' Donut. This is their primer, and actually they didn't have this out on display. They said that they didn't have enough space, so this was actually by the cashier. So if you don't see it on a display, definitely check that out, because it was behind the cashier when I was checking out, and I just told them like, throw it in, I'm gonna purchase it. And this is the e.l.f. Dunkin' Donut collection. This is actually the only product that I wanted from the collection because it looks so cute, and I really did want to smell it, because I do already have a little collection of e.l.f. putty primers in, you know, that I already own. So I did want to buy this one as well and see what my thoughts are. So many people have been raving about this little collection. So there's a look at the packaging. Super cute. It looks like a little donut, as you can see, and it is just a kind of brown packaging. And then on the back, that's what we get. This is called the Donut Forget primer. So there's a look at the inside. It is more of a tan kind of substance. I actually haven't swatched this at all. It actually doesn't really have a smell to it. It's like very faint, which is a little disappointing, but okay. It is that balmy kind of texture, kind of like the original putty primer, not as creamy as the Cookies and Dreams collection. That was super creamy, but this one is more of a balmy texture, just like the original putty primer, which is going to be really interesting. And then blending it in, it's just like smooth. Feels like the original putty primer. So we're gonna see how this works in a upcoming like trying out new makeup video, but I'm so excited. I'm a little disappointed it doesn't smell as good, but I'm really excited to try it out on the face and see what it does. Next we have this product here, which is the Simpsons Revolution liquid bronzer, and this is in the shade Radiant. So this collection is super cute. I remember we saw this when we were in the line at Disneyland waiting for It's a Small World, and I showed it to my boyfriend, and he loves the Simpsons as well, so we had to get this collection. Super cute. I was so happy to see it in store. And again, this is their liquid bronzer in Radiant. So when I did see it, And the tester does look very shimmery. I have to say this is probably like the cheapest feeling product from the collection for me that I have here, just because they kind of just threw a sticker over top. You know, you could kind of see the little lump of sticker that didn't stick on the back, but you know, it's cute. We're gonna see how it works. And again, this is their liquid bronzer, and I really love what they did with this collection. I love the packaging and just the idea behind it. So there's a swatch of the product. Let's see how it blends out. Okay, a little bit goes a long way. It doesn't really smell like anything pleasant. It just kind of smells like product, and it does look like there's a little bit of luminosity to it. So we're gonna see how this blends out on the face, but so far so good. I think yeah, it looks nice. I really love the shade of it. So like the undertone is really nice. I believe it also came with a blush. However, mine was sold out at the Ulta that I went to, so they only had this. This was actually the last bronzer left, so I'm glad. It's like really deep as well. I think it's gonna work out really well. However, it is like a shimmery kind of moment, so we're gonna see how that looks on the face. Yeah, it is very like luminous as well, but I like how it's blending out, so we're gonna see how it looks. Next we have this product here, which is the Simpsons Revolution Ombre Highlight. Honestly, when I was in store, I didn't notice it was an ombre highlight. I saw that it was a highlight, but I didn't notice it was ombre. So this is the one in First Kiss, which is the lightest out of the two, and I do have the finds on my Instagram, where I did take pictures of all of these products and products that I didn't get to pick up. But this is the highlight. Again, super cute packaging. I love what they did with this collection. So there's a look at that. It looks exactly like the box, and the interesting thing about this, it kind of opens to the side. So the mirror is like a heart shape, and then there's a look at this highlight. Again, it is an ombre tone, kind of yellowy pale moment, and then we get like a orangey moment on the bottom, so that's really interesting. So I do want to give it a swatch. Ooh, okay. So there's a swatch of the highlight ombre moment. So it does turn into this kind of champagne-y highlight. So it looks really nice and super promising. I love it. Next we have the setting spray. So this is the Simpsons Revolution Fixing Spray. Super cute. It has a picture of Marge on it. I love this packaging. Again, I think they did such a good job. And there's a look at the actual product. Again, such a amazing job with this collaboration. I love even like the little, just the background and stuff they chose, and then the picture is just so cute. And then there's a look at that. It's just a regular kind of situation. It sprays out pretty normal. It doesn't have any scent. It just feels really refreshing on the face. I've used it once before and it feels really nice, so I can't wait to keep using it. It is like pretty heavy as well, so you get a lot of product in here, and again, it's gonna look so cute in my collection. And lastly, we had to pick up the palette. This is so cute. It has a picture of like when they were young. So adorable. I love it. The palette looks exactly like the box. Really cute. I love that they kept the same design on the inside, and then on the back of the palette we get this, and you get like the numbers here of each shade. So the ones that have like a little asterisk next to them here are the ones that are pressed pigments, which are supposedly not eye safe. But yeah, so there's a look again at the palette, and this is called the Summer of Love Shadow Palette. Says it on the back here. We get like the same kind of design with the mirror, which I'm okay about. I really love when palettes have mirrors, so that's a bonus. And then there's a look at the color story. This is a huge palette. Do you really need this giant palette? No, but it's so cute, especially if you're a makeup collector. It did also come with a smaller palette which had Lisa on it, but I really wanted this one that has Homer and Marge on it. I think the color story is very interesting. Of course, it is like kind of scattered and all over the place, but I can definitely think of a couple of looks that I can create with this palette, and it's just kind of endless because it comes with so many mattes, so many shimmers in here. Yeah, but very cohesive. Like I can see each shade in here kind of working out for the show. So I'm gonna give a couple of swatches. I did swatch this one in Chill. Let's see this pink. The pink is very vibrant. The purple shade is stunning as well, and some of these shadows do have a little like heart imprint in them as well. Do like a champagne shade. This color story alone, you can definitely create a look with these. I've been really into like pastel kind of shades like this as of lately. I really want to do a look using that shade in Chill. So pretty, especially all over the lid. just like a kind of one and done moment with just this shade will look stunning. But you get so many other shades to play with in this palette, so I definitely cannot wait to use this on camera with you guys and use this whole collection with you guys on camera. So that's definitely going to come soon. Let me know if you picked up anything from the Revolution Simpsons collection or the Elf Dunkin' Donut collection. Definitely couldn't pass up on these products, so definitely again let me know what you picked up from these collections. So I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. Everything that I talked about, all the names of the prices are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I upload last week. Don't forget to upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, so if you could stick around, that would be amazing. I have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of makeup finds from drugstore high end, so if that interests you, go ahead and follow me there, and it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.